This is Stu Ellis with your Illinois Corn Connection, brought to you by Illinois Corn. The approach of the harvest season every year is observed with Farm Safety Week and continues throughout the year with the need for grain bin safety.
Farm Safety Week should be every week out of the year. And the gentleman who's with me, Dr. Salah Isa at the University of Illinois, is a grain safety specialist, an ag safety specialist, and somebody who knows that agriculture can be really a very fatal occupation if people aren't careful.
When it comes to grain safety, a lot of times our major concern is that the grain spoils and it goes out of condition, and then it becomes really difficult for farmers to extract. And that's when we see farmers making risky decisions and choices that put them inside the grain bin. And it could be that out of speed they turn off the augers, or other similar scenarios. They end up getting entrapped, and a lot of times engulfed and dying inside a grain bin.
They just need to stay out of the grain bin. Figure out a way to monitor it other than going in, and then stay out.
That's our number one solution. Stay out of the grain bin. That's still our number one suggestion for staying safe. And prevention takes a long way. You know, having the proper monitoring devices or equipment in a grain bin, tracking basically your investment and making sure it does not spoil is crucial. It's crucial for your farm and crucial for your health as well.
Temperature cables, CO2 monitors can be put in bins. Their output can be sent to your telephone.
Yes. There's actually an incredible amount of technology that evolved on ways to either monitor the grain inside the grain bin, or using different stirrators. There's a lot of different devices you can use to remove any clumps that form, including newly developed a grain weevil, or basically block stoppers and so on. So definitely consider these. An ounce of prevention is 100 times better than trying to after the fact.
And so if there's some farm wives that are listening to this, grab hold of that guy and say, stay out of the bin. And that may be one of the best ways that the message could get through a farm family.
Yes, absolutely.
That was your Illinois Corn Connection. I'm Stu Ellis. To learn more about how Illinois Corn is working for you, visit www.ilcorn.org.